So, meron tayong for topic 2, meron tayong quotient rule. Today, I will explain the quotient rule, which is used when we differentiate a function that is written as one function divided by another. Ang quotient rule natin is applies to function in the form of y f of x over g of x. Ayan. Hindi natin we cannot simplify differentiate the number and denominator separately. Instead, instead yung gagawin natin is quotient rule. Ito, quotient rule states that y prime is equals to f prime x gx minus 2 f of g prime. Yan. States natin ganyan over g x squared. Ito yung makakatulong sa ating memory trick, ganyan. Helpful memory trick, ganyan. Para maalala natin agad. High D minus high D lower over lower squared. Ulitin natin. Low D, high minus D, high D low over low squared. Low refers to denominators, high refers to the numerator. Ulit. Low D, high minus, high D low over the squared. Yan. This means, yung sasabi dito is, keep the denominator. Ito, keep the denominator. Differentiate the numerator. Yan. Tapos, subtract the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Divide everything by square root of the denominator. Tingnan natin sa sample dito. Meron tayong x squared over sin x. Ito, f of x and g of x is x squared and sin x. So, mangyari dyan is derive natin 2x and g prime of x is cos x. Ayan. Tapos, apply natin yung quotient rule dito. Derive yung sa derivative nito at saka sa dito. So, y prime is equals to 2x sin x minus x squared cos x and sin squared x. Ayan. The quotient rule is important whenever a function is written as a ratio, such as velocity over time, pressure over volume, or any scenario where two changing quantities from a division.